Hey engineer, you know that modeling a steel structure isn't just math, it's creativity. It's almost an art. Full 3D visualization, 100% web, no installs. Open your browser and start. Built for the refinement that complex steel structures demand. Swap profiles, adjust connections, all in real time. Fast auditable design checks, full calculation report. Adjust the profile, recalculate, get code approval in minutes. Over 1,000 profiles, dozens of international standards. Hot-rolled, cold-formed aluminum, stainless steel, all in one place. Detailing in a matter of minutes. Export to PDF and DWG for further refinement in CAD. All of this for a truly affordable price. Starting at $9 a month, no crazy fees, no heavy hardware, all web. CalcSteel, leading a market of truly accessible applications for professionals.